Here we have some remarks about classes. For example, here we can have this kind of purpose storage, and here, for example, we can we can create a warehouse and print its purpose and region, and here we can just have another warehouse and change the region. Just be careful that this one would be here. We will update this class actually from this one. But you can the usage of class can be something like this. Like, yeah, the good thing about classes is you have just this code that is quite just English. You don't have some quite complicated coding, let's say, syntax, but you more deal with the code as it was English. This is warehouse, this is region, this is purpose, and that's mainly it. Next would be some functions that are defined outside the class. So here we have function that is defined outside the class, and we just say this function is the other function. They are the same functions actually. This one is this function, and g of self it gives this, and h equal to g. So here if we see, you can see the c equals c. Okay, and we can say c.f. So here f needs x and y. So here we see that definitely f is equal to this f1, and here it will give us, if we give it, for example, 10 and 20, it will take 10, 20, and it will be here 10 and here 30, and it will give us the minimum, so it should be 10. So it is 10. And here you can see that g is this one. It's hello world, so we call it normally. And we can have also h, it will be like g. So we can make methods be equal to each other and call them. So here you can see that actually C has three methods. So you can actually define a lot if you don't want to overwhelm your class and you have some kind of file where you have a lot of functions and you just want class to use those functions. You can just use them this way without too much writing all your methods inside the class. Can come pretty handy. So this is really useful in Python to have methods that are and functions that's equal to each other. Next forward, we can have a bag. So with an init function, an add method, like init method as well, add method and add twice, and you can test it. So we have b equal bag of let's say it takes a list. So we better say, okay, bag of 1 1 1. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't take anything actually. That's the thing. So here it doesn't take any let's say any input, but any arguments, but yet we have also not repeats. So we can do something just normal like bag b.add 1, and we can do also b.add twice, say 2, and here we can access b.data, and this will have add 1 just once and add 2 twice, and it's in here.